All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. I got something really cool here today. This is the FPV Crate from GetFPV. This is another one of those subscription-based kind of goodie boxes, but this one's from GetFPV. This is their first one they've done. This is for July. I haven't opened it yet, and I'm pretty curious what's in here. I did the quad box once. I thought it was a great idea. I would have liked to have stuck with it, but I don't know. It's a lot of money for things that I don't really know what are going to be in the box. And I don't know, lately a couple of my friends have the quad box and they've been kind of on the fence about continuing their subscription because things are getting kind of lame and stale, and you know, it doesn't seem like you can sustain this for very long unless the industry keeps moving along. But anyways, this is their first crate. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Oh, and by the way, spoiler alert, which I really shouldn't have to say that because it's pretty obvious. If you're waiting for your crate, don't watch this. But you know, like and subscribe and all that too if you want. I would appreciate it. And here we go. Here's what we got. Kind of a neat looking box. There is all the information for getting your FPV crate. See, on top we have a thank you card from GetFPV. These are the manufacturers that are supplying it. Here is and it gives you a support card. All right. Some pretty cool glossy stickers in the top of the crate. Obviously GetFPV, FPV Crate. And the first thing on the top is a QAV-R2 frame. Wow, wasn't really expecting that. A Lumineer Axie 2 5.8 gigahertz right-hand circular polarized antenna. This is one of the really long ones, like what you would put like on the back of a long-range quad, or even on your FPV goggles to kind of get the element above your melon there. A mini nut wrench tool. I assume this is 8 millimeter for taking props on and off. This is really cool. Look into that a little bit more. A Xylo Pit Pal VTX switch. Man, that's kind of serendipitous because I just got in my pit switches from Tiny LEDs today. Boy, that's kind of cool. So it's a VTX pit switch, so you can turn your VTX receiver on and off with a switch if it's not already built into your flight controller. Got some props. Seems to be customary in all these boxes. This is let's see, these are Lumineer 5 by 5.3 by 3s. You get 3 sets of these. And that appears to be it. So, okay, pit switch, we talked about that. Mini nut wrench. Let's take a look at this guy. Now, this is all metal. It's not like a ratcheting thing, but it is a pretty cool little T-handle that can switch sides to be like an L wrench. Okay, that's interesting that it comes off, but that'll be pretty useful. Antenna's an antenna. Talked about the props. Let's take a look at the frame here. So yeah, get your hardware, get some standoffs, some landing feet, 4 arms. These look like a kind of a center locking design. And these are look like close to 4 mil arms. Definitely a acro frame. Nice top plate, bottom plate with the nuts pre-inserted into the carbon, camera plate, a rubber battery pad, a couple zip ties, and a sticker. So that appears to be all that's in the crate. I'm a little surprised because when you sign up for the crate, they ask for your t-shirt size. I was really kind of hoping to get a t-shirt with the box, but I guess not. Let's see, for about $50, probably about worth it there. But anyways, you know, it's the subscription crate kind of conundrum, you know, like, would you rather spend the $50 and get exactly what you want, or I don't know, do you like Christmas every week, every month, you know, get a random assortment of stuff. Yeah, pretty surprised there's no shirt in the box. Anyways, so this was FPV Crate from GetFPV. If you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.